J100 front LIDARs. How do they work and why do some keep breaking this year? This one right here, I've taken the cover off. You can see there's usually a cover right there that protects your eyes from meeting fatal death with the laser beams that come out of here. So this one's cover is turned off, is taken off, and you can see the mirror inside spins, and then lasers shoot out of here, reflect off this mirror, and then get shot out the front, and then it detects it back as basically light beams. That's what LIDAR does. And this one here, you can see if I spin it a little bit, it's got some chipping right there on that side of the glass on that mirror, and a little bit right there as well. Why is that happening? That's because the manufacturer, whenever they made these LIDARs, made the enclosure, this right here, a bit too tight to the mirror itself. And you can see that right there, those wear marks. As the LIDAR vibrates inside the drone and the mirror vibrates up and down, then it actually can rub on top of this housing right here. This is why we've seen several LIDARs not make it, but just a few acres, a few hundred acres before they fail. Vibration and too tight of tolerance from the manufacturer. Tanway is the manufacturer of this LIDAR. So we sent Alex over to China to visit Tanway this past month and let them know the issue we were having. They sent us back these LIDARs that they've milled out further right there where that mirror actually goes or comes across. So this comparison here is what it normally was. You can see where it's rubbing there, and that's where Tanway manufacturer milled down further. So this mirror on this unit should have more clearance. Tanway says it's a clearance issue. Now we do have some folks that have said that they've noticed this bearing has worn out or gotten weak, and thus the mirror can move more, possibly hitting on the bottom, possibly hitting on the top as well. But long story short, we do have new LIDARs from Tanway that they have modified that we were sending out, trying to keep these LIDARs in drones and functional as best as possible. We're not making these LIDARs. Tanway, EAVision, they design and are making these LIDARs, and they know exactly what's going on as far as the issues that some folks are having with J100 LIDARs. We've been very clear with them about that, and we are hopeful that this modification and future modifications will fix that. This is the start to help keep guys running in the field that are having issues with J100 LIDARs. Tanway is also going to be sending technicians here to the US with additional parts to repair broken LIDARs with some different style mirrors themselves that may be better balanced or just shorter to not have as tight a tolerance as these do. And they're going to be having their technicians here to fix these issues for us moving forward. But for right now, this modification, what Tanway does, should help resolve some of these issues that some people are seeing with J100 LIDARs. That's the J100 LIDAR update. I hope that helps understand what's going on with these LIDARs, and know that we are doing everything we can to push the manufacturer to make sure that this problem gets fixed. All right, guys, thanks.